This is Motiyali fish or silver fish in English. Small, pinkish, crisp, nice, crunchy type of fish. They taste very well in deep fried recipes. And also this is Motiyali Jire Mire because the skin of the fish, silver fish, has a luster, a shine like pearls. Perhaps moti means pearl. From that word, this Motiyali must have been derived. मोतयाळी हे नुस्तें खूब सुंदर आनी दिसपाकय बरें आनी खावपाकय बरें. खूब टेस्टी तें. काट्या सकट खावपाक जाता म्हणून मजा येता तें खातना. आनी हें आज म्हज्या बायलेन मेलिंदान आज मोतयाळी जिरे मिरे करून म्हज्या ताटान हांगा वाडलां. म्हणून तें बरेंच रुचीक आसा अशें दिसता कित्याक तातूंत सगळे इन्ग्रेडियंट्स जे आमी मसाल्याचे बी घालतात ते ताणें घाल्ले आसात. आनी हें कशें लागता तें पळोवपाची म्हजी उत्सुकता आसा. गोंयांत गालमो तशीच मोतयाळी ही बारीक नुस्तीं जी आसात ती गालमो हे श्रिम्स, ब्रायन श्रिम्स, एसिटस इंडिकस. मोतयाळी सिल्वर फीश ताजे अजून म्हाका सायंटिफीक नेम सापडूंक ना. सापडटलें. पूण जिरे मिरे हो एक बरो पैकी प्रकार आनी खावपाकय बरो, रुचीकय बरो आनी पचपाकय बरो. मातशे केन्ना केन्ना बारीक काटे ते भितर दांतान बी शिरकतात पूण कांयच प्रॉब्लेम ना. वी कॅन ऑलवेज एन्जॉय दीस रेसिपी. It is a very delicious recipe of Goa. This is known as silver fish Jire Mire, a spicy dry preparation which everybody must prepare and taste. This is a seasonal fish which is not available all the 12 months but only during a few months, especially September, October, and then occasionally we find them, but they are not very expensive, neither very cheap also, but difficult to clean also because some people without cleaning they consume it with hates and all. We don't do it because there may be intestinal bacteria and all those pathogens, so we have to wash and clean this very properly and then only use the recipe for this Motiyali fish.